In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your Shopify checkout page. Adding your logo to the checkout is a simple way to make your store look more professional and consistent with your brand. It helps reassure customers that they're in the right place when they're about to pay, and it can make your store feel more polished overall. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each step so you can follow along even if you're new to Shopify. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the main admin screen, look for the section called Sales Channels on the left-hand side and click on Online Store. Under Online Store, select Themes. This is where you manage how your store looks, including the brand elements that appear on your checkout. On the Themes page, find your current live theme. Next to it, there should be a button that says Customize. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the theme editor, where you can change different parts of your store's appearance. Inside the theme editor, look toward the top or left side for a drop-down or navigation menu that lets you switch between different pages or templates. You want to find the area related to checkout or checkout settings. The exact location can vary slightly depending on your theme and Shopify's latest layout, but there will always be a dedicated checkout section or a link that takes you to the checkout customization screen. Once you've opened the checkout settings, look for an option labeled something like Logo, Branding, or Checkout Logo. Here, you'll see a button to upload an image. Click Upload and choose the logo file from your computer. For best results, use a high-quality image, ideally a PNG with a transparent background, so it looks clean on different backgrounds. After you upload the logo, Shopify usually lets you adjust its position and size. You can choose to center it or align it to the left, and in some themes you can control how large it appears. Make sure it's clearly visible but not overwhelming. If your logo looks blurry, try uploading a version with higher resolution. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save in the top corner of the editor. Then, to double check everything, open your store in a new tab, add a product to the cart, and proceed to checkout so you can see your new logo live on the checkout page. And that's it. You've successfully added a logo to your Shopify checkout page and given your store a more